Hi, my name is Mary Rafa. I am a CPA specialized in bookkeeping cleanup and in improving accounting processes. I'd like to show you how you can set up NetSuite for project costing. On your NetSuite toolbar, go to Setup, click on Company, click on Enable Features on your left sidebar. Under Company tab, scroll down, and you'll see that there's a project toggle. So if you want to enable it, you will need to put a check mark next to the box. If you don't want it enabled, you just have to leave it blank. So when do you need to enable your project costing? If your business profit varies and it's based on customizable services or customizable product, and it is something that is unique and cannot be easily replicated. And one of the challenges of upper management is to find out which of the projects is most profitable. Project option is actually an additional fee with NetSuite. So their basic subscription may not offer this unless you upgrade to the next level. Upgraded version for projects will include project profitability and also the option to enable the budget. So this way you can see your variance to your budget compared to your actual costing. And this can help you decide how efficient your processes are. So that's it for now. So if you'd like to learn more on what else you can do in NetSuite setup, don't forget to click like, subscribe, follow, and share. Thank you.